Welcome to C's Animal Corner. Here are funny, cute, and interesting animal videos I found online. And today, I would like to start with a video I made of my bird. My little boy here tried to climb up, but didn't notice a perch was in the way, so he flailed his little legs around a little for like a minute, not noticing he's being held down by the perch. Now next up, we got a little turtle enjoying a shower so much it's dancing. This cat is one of the few animals that learn to use bait to get fish. This dog quickly noticed he's cheating. Gotta be real careful living around the polar regions, as polar bears are some of the few animals that see humans as food. The more I see seagulls, the more I love them.
Вот это крутая штука. Wow.
Apparently this is a skunk's fret display. I kinda expected them to threaten people with their butt. More of cows just being very big horned puppies. I gotta say, I'm quite jealous. At some point I tried teaching my cats how to open doors too, but then they actually started doing so. And I realized that it was a very bad idea. Luckily, they quickly forgot. Little guy looks so angry. Nicely ordered. Forward looking right, backward looking left. Gotta love it when animals are drama queens.
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
This young bald eagle looks like he's clawing for some money. No wonder rats manage to get nearly everywhere as blind passengers. I relate a lot. Even while writing this episode, one of my birds did that. This emperor penguin from Antarctica somehow got to the Australian coast, and he looks just like a lost kid looking for his mommy.
Are you a little lost? Yeah. Hello. Yeah, you're lost. Oh, you're beautiful. Wow. Just respect his space.
Just a gorilla having a good time. Oh, the teasing.
I don't think he's excited. Right, Bear? Oh my god.
Boop, and gone they are. This guy appreciates the butt scratches.
Say hi, Mimi. Say hi.
This is a part of humpback whales using bubbles to scare fish into position to better gobble them up. Videos like this just always warm my heart. You can tell he's having a good day. He missed everyone except the last, but I'm still impressed with the little guy. And next up, a big cat enjoying itself. I feel like this guy is just showing off. Something here feels familiar. And for last, well, the caption explains it best. As always, for the full video, follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for weekly animal compilations, and hopefully, I'll see you soon.
Not allowed on the bed, you